Moving on from question one of reading comprehension drill set number 5, we still have all of our upfront reading highlights and underlines ready to go. And we see question 2 has which one of the following could replace the phrase a target in the second to last sentence of the last paragraph while best preserving the author's intended meaning. Now, if you were actually engaging this live, you would skip number 2 at this point because this is asking for a specific detail to reread about. I need to go reread this second to last sentence, a target, and we go down to the bottom and we find it. But for the purposes of this video, we'll engage with it now. So we read back into the task, which one of the following could replace the phrase a target? And we'll just highlight replace the phrase. And I don't need to highlight anything else except while best preserving the author's meaning. So we've got that task clearly referenced, and we just got to go in here and reread very tight targeted window to understand what a target is. And we'll just read a sentence above and a sentence below. This module would obviate the need for transporting inordinate amounts of fuel, thus eliminating the need for the construction and maintenance of a platform in low Earth orbit. In addition, the plan gives the crew the flexibility to use Mars as a target in case of malfunction. Well, if we just got done with our upfront read, or we've been going through all of our other questions that are about main idea, we recall, hopefully, that the big problem with Earth as a launching point is that we couldn't get there if we were on Mars already. Well, now this is saying that Mars is basically a place that you could land if there was a problem taking off from Mars going back to Earth. So choice B should jump out, and on the exam, especially if you're aiming for a 165, 170 plus on the LSAT, you might just go saying, that's it, the right answer is B. But of course, it's not a site for further exploration. Mars is the target of the exploration. It's not a moment, it's a location. So that's going to be why we can eliminate choice C. It's not a site for launching future missions. This is one mission. And it's not used for navigational purposes. It's used as a place to land. So you could see how, first, this is a question I probably would skip on the first pass through the questions if I were doing this passage live, because I probably am going to need to reread. Secondly, how we can predict what the answer should be and really make this a question that we can make quick work of when we're doing similar problems like it on future reading comprehension questions.